Hello again, I'm Jon Nelson from the Dougherty Art Center, and today we're going to take the ceramic vessels we made in the previous tutorial. I'm going to show you a few techniques we can use to add on to these and turn them into pretty cool ceramic sculptures. So we should have let the vessel dry a little so it's a bit stronger and can support the weight we will add later on. Now before we build up and enclose the vessel, we're going to add some forms onto the side. Now I normally end up creating animals or weird little creatures, but you can use these techniques to create anything from like human figures to animals to more abstract sculptures. So first we can grab some clay and roll and squeeze it into a cylinder form. Next, grab a wooden tool and poke a hole all the way through. You can use a finger to widen the hole until the cylinder walls are as wide as your vessel walls. Figure out where you want to attach it. This will be a leg so we can play around with the angle and position. Trace around it, cut out a hole so no air is trapped. Grab the serrated rib tool and add scratches to both surfaces, add some slip, attach by compressing and gently smoothing it down. We can use the same process for the other leg. Next, we can make another cylinder form to make the leg longer. Figure out the angles you want and attach it. Do the same thing to the other leg. Now that both legs are done, we can add some feet by grabbing a bit of clay and forming it into the desired shape. And then, of course, we can attach it by scratching, adding slip, compressing, and smoothing it down. You can use a wooden knife to add cuts for the little toes. And then, for really cool extra detail, you can add some claws by pinching forms from thin coils. We'll add those claws on, and remember, even if you're adding little tiny things on, you still want to add scratches and slip. And then add a coil over all of those claws and smooth down the back side. Do that to the other foot, and then you have some pretty cool legs done. Another form you can add onto your vessel is a simple pinch pot. We're going to use this one for its shoulder. We can attach it the same way as our other forms. Then we create yet another cylinder form to attach for the arm. We can make a hand the same way we did the feet. Make the other arm the same way. But I think I'm going to wait to finish this one because I want the hand to be touching his head. So to do the head, or to add on to your vessel to make it taller, you can do a simple pinch pot form and attach it. Or you can roll out more coils and work your way up using the same process we used to create the coil vessel. Now, before we totally fill in top of the head, we can add some more forms to change the shape of the face. A simple pinch pot makes a great snout or nose. And we can add some more pinch pots for extra form on the face. Now we can fill in the rest of the head, and we should also poke a hole on the underside of the base so that some air can escape. So those are some techniques you can use to add form onto your coil pot vessel, turning it into a sculpture. And the next tutorial I'll show you some ideas for adding details and textures. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more videos from the Dougherty Art Center.